Here's why my man Alex Hormozi is way wrong about what you can do with 50 grand.
Let's say you reach out to some businesses, things that you like or enjoy or feel like you have some specialized knowledge in. You find out that there's a business that's doing $250,000 a year in profit.
So in his video, he talks about buying a $625,000 business, asking the seller for 75% of the purchase price, roughly $470,000. That seller is gonna hold that note. Now, at call it 10% over 5 years, that's gonna be about $10,000 a month in principal and interest you're gonna have to just pay that seller. That's $120,000 you've gotta pull off the income. But now we've got the balance. We've got about $110,000 left that we're gonna have to go get that note. Remember, we're putting only $50,000 down. So we've gotta go to the SBA or a bank or a friend or a rich uncle, and you gotta get the rest of the money. Now, SBA interest rate's probably gonna be a little bit better, probably gonna be somewhere between 7 and 9%. Depends, interest rates are all over the place. But at about $100,000, that's roughly $1,000, $1,500 a month. So let's say after all is said and done, you just take your 50 grand, you go buy this business, assuming you can get the seller to agree. Oh, and by the way, the SBA, if you use the SBA or any sort of commercial lending, they're going to require a personal guarantee. What is left is only about $110,000 of the $250,000. The rest of that is going straight to paying principal and interest on all of the debt that you've accumulated that you've also personally guaranteed. So if you do a deal like this, you better know what you're doing. This is all I do, baby. White Collar Savage. If you want more information like this, please like, follow, share. Let's get after it.